Unity is a liberal conservative political party in Latvia. It is currently the largest party of the centre-right in Latvian politics and was the leading party in the Dombrovskis and Straujuma cabinets from its inception in 2010 until February 2016. Unity is a member of the European People's Party. It remains the largest parliamentary party in the Kučinskis cabinet. The party was founded as an electoral alliance of the New Era Party, Civic Union, and the Society for Political Change on 6 March 2010. It was reportedly founded in a bid to form a counterweight to the left-wing Harmony Centre alliance, which had been strengthening in polls and elections, while the other right-wing parties were below the electoral threshold of 5%. On 6 August 2011 the alliance was transformed into a single political party. Its current president since 19 August 2017 is the current Minister for Economics of Latvia, Arvils Ašeradens, who succeeded former European Commissioner Andris Piebalgs. The incumbent Prime Minister is Māris Kučinskis from the Union of Greens and Farmers, but Unity and ZZS each hold 5 ministerial portfolios in the 2016–2018 government. For the 2014 general election, Unity announced an electoral pact with the Reform Party, which was followed by a full absorption in March 2015. After the demise of the Straujuma cabinet in 2015, the party has suffered from internal conflicts and defections of MPs to other political parties, undermining its ratings. For the 2018 elections, the party formed the new Unity joint electoral list in April 2018 together with the regional Kuldīga County Party, for Valmiera and Vidzeme and for Tukums city and county parties, joined by the Jēkabpils Regional Party in June. The Latgale Party, a previous partner of Unity, was uncertain whether to join New Unity, since a faction of the party supported a partnership with the Latvian Association of Regions, ultimately signing a cooperation agreement in July. An offer to join the list was also extended to the Liberal Movement 4, and the centre-left Progressives Party, but both parties eventually declined.